So this time we're going to use sign analysis, but we're going to still start with finding the critical points. And the critical points are when the denominator is 0, so when x minus 1 equals 0, which means x equals 1. So if I place that on a number line, I'm going to have x equals 1 here, and I know it doesn't exist at that point, so I'm going to put a hollow dot. And the other one is when the numerator is 0, so x minus 7 equals 0, so x equals 7. And there's my 7. This one is also a hollow dot. We know it doesn't include equal to 0 because there's no equal sign in that inequality. Now, instead of testing points, I'm going to just keep track of what's happening in each of these areas. So x minus 7, just that section right here, is going to be positive as long as x is bigger than 7. So it's going to be positive in this section right here and negative in this section. And x minus 1 is positive starting at 1. So all numbers that are bigger than 1, for example, x equals 5, if I plug 5 in here, I get 5 minus 1, which is 4. So any number bigger than 1 is going to make that binomial positive, and anything less than 1 is going to make it negative. Now here we've got division, so a negative divided by a negative is a positive. Overall, here we've got a negative divided by a positive, so that is a negative overall. And here we've got a positive divided by a positive, which is a positive overall. And we're looking for when is the expression greater than 0 or positive. So that's in this area and in this one. So if we write that as an interval notation, it's negative infinity to 1 and 7 to positive infinity.